everyone. Today I would like to introduce to you about the brand name Double Shine Blender, very famous in Taiwan. And they have a lot of machine. This machine is siliconized, and they have fitting by inverter. The fitting is over 20 minutes, 20 meter per minute, and this is automatic fitting making by two-wheel company. And this kind is the strength nice machine, and the shape. This is the machine is the same heavy duty, and the motor is top and bottom 20 and 15 motor. SB horsepower, and then they include the up and down, the table by digital control, and the next one is automatic fitting machine. But this machine is short wood, fitting about the short wood with size 100 mm only, and the same, but they're expensive. For the knife is smaller, but the fitting, the bell fitting is different. You can see that is the fitting bell. This is working table. Working table size is just 400 mm only, and this one is working size 400 mm, but this the same, the short was is 250 mm, so that is helico nice, and this knife is very good for the material by wood. When you use this machine, and the surface is very smooth, and this kind is 400 J. J is the shock right for the jointer. So before we have the machine is hand jointer. So now this machine you can do by automatic fitting, but just only side only, and the working wire is 400 mm, and the knife the same, 45 degree. So that's some information about Double Shine machine. We import from Taiwan. We would like to share with you some about information about the Double Shine surface blender, and see you soon. For today, the machine operate.